Alright, so we have this Samsung DW80K5050US, and the water is standing and not going anywhere. So let's fix it. We'll remove the standing water, and you have to unscrew those screws, quite a bit of them. So I took off the propeller thingy. Has 2 screws right there. You have like 13 screws to take off. Take it off. If you have a drill, it would be way better. It was a drill, but I'm just doing it like that. That's how they look like. Alright, so I took the stuff off. Now, lift it up like this. And that's how it feels in there. Alright, and then the rest goes like this. And that's where all the water's standing. We can probably disconnect this piece. So this just removes from this section, and then we get to our section here. Alright, so this is the actual filter. Make sure you clean it out. Kind of see through it. And then the water goes out that way on the pipe through the grinder. Right here. And into the drain. So let's clean it, put it together on the screws, and hopefully it's gonna be all good to go. So I put the filter on top, cleaned it just a little bit. It just slides on top of this in this format. Let's put it back in. So just slide it in there, and then it pops in the place. Make sure these match for the section where it's supposed to go. And this is the setup. I didn't take this thing off. It still has a screw in here. So this was connected, but just pop this thing back on top. And let's put the screws back in and then put this piece in. Then I'll show you how to put it back on. Sorry, doing the one-handed here. So that's how it's going in. Then put the filter should go something like this. Trying to get it underneath. Like that. There you have it. And let's put the screws in. I'd say it's a really horrible design. 16 whatever screws, quite a bit. Alright, let's put this one in. 2 more left, 1 on each side. and then one here. Alright, and hopefully that's it. We'll see how it works. Alright, so I did the load and looks pretty good. So the water is not standing anymore. Should be good to go.